So I think I've gotten to the point where I realize I need to like wait for the camera to boot up. And yes, this is not a football video if you guys were tuning in after the Super Bowl to see what's going on. I still have yet to film after the Super Bowl, but that will be tomorrow's video. Because this camera doesn't actually do anything. Ooh, I keep forgetting how cold this stairwell is. The camera is not very weatherproof. So when I'm going to go for a longer bit of a walk, I need to keep it in the backpack. It is terribly raining. It is terribly snowing. If you guys have seen, like, we're having drifting snow. So yeah, I don't have my thing, but this thing, when my hood comes around, it covers this. So yeah, I'm going to go wandering the snow, and I'm going to have the camera out for a little bit. But if I'm just going to wander around for a bit more, I'm going to put it in the thing so that it doesn't get like cold and wet and broken, because it's not a weather camera. Should be using the GoPro for this. But yeah, we've got just a bunch of stuff. Crunch, 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 crunch. And the drifting, powdery snow. But every once in a while a big breeze comes by and it just picks up snow and throws it all over the place. Sorry for any weird sounds. I'm bundled up as best I can be. Let's see here. We haven't had any like decent amounts of like ice is the thing. So it's all been snow. We haven't melted any bit. So interesting. What's up, phone? Got a bit of snow on the camera lens last time. I had to close it and breathe on it to get it wiped off. This hill's basically turned into ice. There's the apartment up there. Yeah, just give you guys a look. One of those things that makes you look like, oh, it's like sand dunes when it snows at the beach. Oh, that's slick. It's so cold, the plastic's starting to like contract, so the little nubbins for the tripod don't work nearly that well. He's gonna go down and get milk and stuff from the store, and I'm like, okie dokie. I have a mask in case I want to go inside or go over to Snack Bar or get something. You know the snow is intense when, like, the flat surface of Osterboaster, the booster, the on-ramp to the shit highway, is impacted with snow. The kids are having a fun time. People are sliding around. I'm taking my time. It's not my first blizzard, just the first blizzard blizzard in the Netherlands. But yeah, this snow is super deep. It's getting all up in my shoes and it's starting to melt a little bit, and I'm like, my toes are cold. My toes are freezing off. Let's go look at the sluices. Oi, you got to give it up to the people up there on the bridge. Oh, the road's closed up there, otherwise I'd go over and check. Cover in the face momentarily. People downstairs have been having a hell of a time with their porch. It's very decked out to be kind of tropical, with like plants and that little grass fencey thing and wicker bamboo, all the things. Like, it's probably the most amazing thing to experience during the summer. But on days like today, thankfully they haven't decided that their dog needed to be outside on the porch all fucking day, so that's good for them. Oh, this is beautiful. I feel you, man. I feel you. Of course, this is why I'm going outside. Because I want to experience weather. I want to experience 40-kilometer wind gusting to 50. I mean, I know you don't comment much. Does this qualify? Did I experience Boston? I mean, I know I was there and it was all snowy and stuff. Okay, the sluices really haven't started to... The edges have, it looks like. I don't know, can you guys see? The wind is still causing a lot of ruffling. But right here along the edge, it looks kind of frozen. I don't want to get too close, but it looks pretty solid. Not quite, but again, I don't want to get too close. I don't know where the snow and the ice and the stuff is lying, but it's still rippling up here because of the wind. I don't know around the corner over there because they got so much of this construction going on. We'll see what's going up. I need to put the camera in the thing. I've been recording for a while. Need to get it warmed back up or something. But I decided to come up here and show you guys that this is definitely not going to be freezing anytime soon. There's a lot of boats parked along that wooden thing. Crunch, crunch. Oh yeah. Yep, ice. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but yeah. The locks are still kind of working, maybe. Just see that water is. This is going to be fun tomorrow, though. The wind is supposed to die down. Maybe I'll go for a bike ride in the ice.